Morning students. Here Neela ma'am. Today I am going to teach you about an interesting game that is Kabaddi related to sports. I think you are already familiar with this game Kabaddi. Actually Kabaddi is a South Asian team sport in Tamil, Kannada, and Malayalam. The word Kai means hand. Kai means hand, and the word Pidi means catch. Put together, the words can be translated into holding hands. Then, how Kabaddi is played? Two teams occupy opposite halves of a field and take turns sending a raider into the other half in order to win points by tackling members of the opposite team. The raider then attempts to return to his own half, to his or her own half, holding his or her breath and chanting Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi during the whole raid. During the whole raid, chanting Kabaddi, Kabaddi, Kabaddi is continued. So, today about these important facts. Important facts about Kabaddi. Kabaddi is the national game of Iran, Pakistan, and Bangladesh, and the state game of the Indian states of Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Punjab, and Andhra Pradesh. It is a state game of the Indian state of Tamil Nadu, Haryana, Punjab, and Andhra Pradesh. Number 2 fact, governing body are International Kabaddi Federation. Member nations are 31 member nations including India. Association was formed in 2004. The founder, President Janardhan Singh Gehlot from India. This is the scene from Kabaddi field. Then international standards. In the international team version of Kabaddi, two teams of 7 members each occupy opposite halves of a field of 10 meter by 10 meter by 13 meter for men, 10 meter by 13 meter for men, and 8 meter by 11 meter for women. There is difference between here the size of field for men and women. Each team has 3 supplementary players held in reserve. The game is played with 20-minute halves and a 5-minute half-time break, during which the team exchange sides. Then Suranjeevi. Next fact is Suranjeevi is the most played form of Kabaddi in India and the world. This is the form used in international matches generally and played in Asian games. India has won all 5 Kabaddi World Cups played till now. All the World Cups were held in India. So these are important facts about Kabaddi. You will learn about Kabaddi, how Kabaddi is played, important facts about Kabaddi. Then next topic is diseases based on science and technology. Chapter 62. Your body has several lines of defense against pathogen or germs. The skin forms a barrier. Here, the skin forms a barrier to stop invading pathogens, while chemicals in tears and acidic stomach juices also detect bacteria. Pathogens that do breach these defenses are targeted by white blood cells and other weapons of the immune means defense system. So, some of the MCQs based on diseases. Tick the correct option. Asthma is a common. This is a chronic disease. Asthma is a common. Asthma is a disease related to breathing. So, this is a chronic disease. Option A is correct. Then, which of the following is not a type of cancer? Vulvar cancer, Wilms tumor, rectal cancer, but this spiral cancer. This is not a type of cancer. Then, third, detoxification is a function of, this is not the function of heart, lungs, kidneys, but this is the function of liver. The dengue mosquito was originated in Africa. It was originated in Africa. The dengue mosquito was originated in Africa. Number 5. Is there any vaccine available for dengue? Here, A option is available in America only, available in Australia, available only for cold places, no vaccine for now. So C option is no vaccine for now. Number 6. Which medicine is given after mechanical heart valve transplant for lifetime? Yes, mechanical heart valve transplant for lifetime. This is given blood thinner. Blood thinner is given after mechanical heart valve transplant for lifetime. Then what is caused by rabies? Rabies, it is Descafate, tetrodosis, encephalitis or virus inflammation. Option C. Encephalitis is caused by rabies. What is not a type of angina? Stable angina, variant angina, unstable angina, dilute. So this is not the type of angina. These stable angina, variant and unstable angina are the types of angina, but dilute angina is not a type of angina. This is about diseases based on here chapter 62, Science and Technology. You will complete this chapter in your book and learn it. Okay, so stay alert, stay healthy. God bless you. Thank you. Have a nice day.